It's very difficult now to be able to predict what will happen in the future in terms of climate as an impact. High rainfall, we received higher rainfall this year compared last year, and with higher temperature as compared to last year. It has both impacted our yield. Now, it's very difficult to be able to forecast that. So the best way to be able to, and this is the hypothesis, right? This hypothesis to be
Yeah,
tested is somehow or the other use technology. Because now with satellite information available, with cheaper drones that you can fly over farms, the assumption and with adopting and growing AI, because इंसान का brain power इतना ही है process करने के लिए, you need a lot more variables to process it. The
yeah,
hypothesis is that technology should be able to help us at least uh, have some sort of predictability or have some sort of idea कि यार और a glimpse कि हमें नजर क्या आ रहा है, so that as business people we can plan better, and not only from a business perspective but also from a farmer's perspective. अगर फार्मर को आज ही बेहतर एक व्यू नजर आ जाता है कि उसकी सोइंग की विंडो कब आ सकती है, तो then the farmer will be able to plan better.